Guess the South American wild animal. It's a jaguar. Well done. Ready for next one?
Clever Pop! Let's have fun!
Can you guess this wild animal? You got it. This animal is a capybara. Do you know this wild animal? Well done. This is a sloth. Who is hiding here? Awesome guessing. It's a toucan. Can you guess this South American bird? Well done. This is a macaw. Which South America animal is this? It's a poison dart frog. Do you know this wild animal? Great job. It's a tapir. Which South America animal is this? It's a giant anteater. Well done. Do you know this wild animal? You're right. It's an armadillo. Do you know this wild animal? It's a caiman. Well done. Which South America animal is this? It's a llama. Well done. Can you guess this South American fish? You were right. It's a piranha. Who is hiding here? This is an alpaca. Well done.
Let's play again! Next video coming up!